Midnight Chase by Christopher Goldston. This is a tutorial, and I'm playing it below tempo so that you can hear all of the different articulation and dynamic markings. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, All right, let's go back and look back at it. So there's a lot of changing of registration. So I'll start here. It starts down here, and then it builds. 1, 2, 3. You hear that? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This is the driving rhythm throughout this piece. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So that's the first section, and really you should learn that as a separate piece. So listen again. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Now you're going to hear a similar one later on, the new intro, which is bar 36. But look at the difference. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. You notice that we're higher up. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then the right hand stays there. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. That's probably the hardest part. So I would take 41 out. And I would work that back. So I would probably do first. And then I go back to 41. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. So that's a little section that I would compare, and I would do that from the very beginning. The next thing in my strategy is I would probably work on the ending. You know I love endings. Just fun to get that ending. And there's that 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And it has a great ending. All right, the next thing I'd work on is I'd be working on hands separately from measure 9. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Make it very smooth. 3, 1, 2. First ending. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. All right, so you can do that, and I'm going to start it again. So I've put it on my iPad so I don't have a repeat. That's one idea, or you're going to go back. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Go back. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. that's your link to the next part. The next thing I'd work on would be the left hand. 1, 2, 3, 1. Notice my thumbs are light. 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And you want to work on that technique throughout the left hand. If you're not, you'll get this, which is a stiff thumb, and I want it to be on the tip light. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Watch that pinky, that you don't press so hard that you get a bruised pinky. See that pinky? Keep it nice and light. Notice my hand is in. So there's section A, and then I put those hands together slowly from the beginning. Hear the balance? Left hand is quieter. All right, so you get that kind of feeling together. Now when we get to the second section, which is on measure 20, notice both hands go to B flat. They stay on B flat, but that change in the left hand goes to this chord, which is an F chord in the first inversion. E flat chord. Left hand changes. A major chord. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, and you would get to there. So these are sections you can work on, and that's how you're going to get this piece into your hands. Remember, go slowly and be really work in sections so that you get to know the notes.